Hello, dear students. Good morning to all of you. This is the portion of chapter 1. So, till yesterday we were learning chapter 2. Chapter 1 was already finished, and chapter 2 was learning till yesterday. But now I have seen that some portions were missed. Found some portions missed. I have explained it, but I could not show you the question answers or videos or pictures of these special topics. So these are there in your book. I want to show you. So I prepared a PPT for that because these are very important topics. Questions will come from these topics in the examination. I have prepared slides. I have prepared some question answers also. So be ready with your pen and copy. Okay. So insectivorous plant already mentioned in the previous video of chapter 1, but now some detailed study we have to do. Pitcher plant, Pitcher. Pitcher plant is an insectivorous plant. It is named as pitcher plant because there is a pitcher-like modification. See, this plant has leaves, normal leaves, and at the tip of the normal leaves you can see here. At the tip of the normal leaves you can see some specially modified structures. These specially modified structures of leaves are called pitcher. These pitchers are for trapping insects. Why do a plant want to trap insects? Do you know plants eating insects? Yes. In lower classes also you have learned plants eating insect eating plants. Some plants are there. What is the need of eating insect for them? Is it their hobby? Or you think it is their hobby? No, it is not their hobby. They are eating insect to fulfill their nitrogen requirement. They need nitrogen and the soil is deficient in nitrogen. The soil here in these regions where pitcher plant grow or like these plants grow, the soil is deficient in nitrogen. To fulfill the nitrogen requirement, the plant want to eat insect. So this pitcher plant is modified like this. There is a lid, there is a pit, there are hairy outgrowths inside this pit, and there are some enzymes inside it to digest. Enzymes are meant to digest the food. So for digesting the insects, there is enzyme inside it. So the lid is open now. When an insect fall on this pit, the lid will be closed. How nice their arrangement is. See, the lid will be closed once the insect fall into this pit. And after that you can see this insect will digest. The insect will digest inside the pit, inside the pitcher plant's trap, and it will fulfill its nitrogen requirement. And you can see the text here. The apex of the leaf forms a lid. Apex means tip. The apex of the leaf forms a lid which can open and close the apex of the leaf forms a lid which can open and close the mouth of the pitcher. Inside the pitcher there are hair, so there are hairs which are directed downwards. When an insect lands in the pitcher, the lid closes and the trapped insect gets entangled into the hair. The insect is digested by the digestive juices secreted in the pitcher. Such insect-eating plants are called insectivorous plants. If a question asked, what are insectivorous plants? There is a question, what is insectivorous plant? What will you write? Do you want to write this much text, this much answer? No. What is insectivorous plant? Insect-eating plants are called insectivorous plants. That is the answer. Insect-eating plants are called insectivorous plants. What is the example? You know now the example, pitcher plant. P-I-T-C-H-E-R, pitcher plant. Okay. Is it possible that such plants do not get all the required nutrients from the soil in which they grow? Is it possible that such plants do not get all the required nutrients from the soil in which they grow? Yes, this is why they trap insects. They do not get sufficient nutrients from the soil where they grow. You know where this pitcher plant see? In Meghalaya, this pitcher plant see in only some of the states. Everywhere this pitcher plant cannot see. In Meghalaya, this pitcher plant is common. So if you want to see a pitcher plant, you have to go to Meghalaya. Okay. Now, the next, there are some question answers. Before that, we have to do one more saprotrophic nutrition. Saprotrophic nutrition we will explain in another video. We will explain it in another video. Saprotrophic nutrition. Now, yesterday I have given you some question answers to write. Have you done? May I hope positively? You must have done your homework. Okay. Something to do, exercises. Why do organisms need to take food? I am just reminding you that if there is any problem, you have to ask to me. Nobody is asking. Nobody. या तो सबको आता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, या तो you are not attending, you are not doing your work. इसमें से कोई बात हो सकता है. So if you are not doing it, it is your fate. If you are doing it, it is also your fate. So your future will be bright. When we don't know when this lockdown will be over, we don't know when we can come out of our houses, go out of our houses and can go to school. You have the responsibility now to learn by yourself. It is only up to you what you are doing now. Okay. So bye. Thank you.